As well as data-bound visuals, such as these pie charts, line charts, and column charts that I've got on the page here, we can also add static visualizations and static things to these reports. Things like text boxes, images, and just shapes that you might use to help the layout and the flow of your report. Let's look at a few of these. I can choose from these on this, inserting these on the ribbon up here. I'm going to just choose a text box to start, and I can start typing away. So this report shows sales and revenue. And I've got a few basic controls to change the type of font I'm using or the size of my font. And you'll see the text box updates as I choose these different options. I can set things to bold or italic if I want to, and I can control the alignment. I can also add links into these. So if I had a link to another page in my intranet or even out to the internet, all I need to do is to type in the URL, and we'll automatically detect these links. And then I can follow these along when I've published this up to the Power BI website. I can also make short links. So if I've got a sentence like go here for more details, I can just select a particular word, and then on our toolbar, hit this insert link, and do the same sort of thing. Then when I'm done, just the word here gets turned into a hyperlink. So text boxes are one thing. I can also do things like adding images. I'll just get a file browser to direct me to the image that I want to insert. In this case, I've got a logo, and now I can control how that appears on my page as well. You'll also see on my format options, I've got a few different things to do things like controlling the aspect ratio, or even adding a title or something else on top of this image. For the basic shapes options, I can choose to insert rectangles or arrows or lines or whatever to help split up my report. So for example, I might want to put a rectangle just around these two visualizations, just to say, hey, look, this is everything to do with unit sales. And then another one around these, I could highlight those to say these are ones to do with revenue. Or I could use the arrows to just draw people's attention to a particular part of a chart. So maybe I just want to show the this spike and what's going on at the top, and then maybe I could add a text box underneath it to draw people's attention to what was happening just at a particular area. So there are a few different options that I have for setting up these basic static elements onto my reports as well, things like text boxes, images, and shapes.